Hey, what's up guys, so we're here on Shibaswap, so that I want to show you guys how you can actually be able to dig to provide liquidity onto Shibaswap. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on all this content that I actually drop onto this channel, so that you can be able to know how to use Shibaswap. So make sure you subscribe, and then I will see you inside on these videos, guys, so that you don't miss out. So this is the dig section. So this is what we actually want to come onto. So we're actually going to say, as you can actually see here, provide liquidity, and then you're just going to click onto here, and then it's going to load into here. And then what you're actually going to do, you're going to create a pair. As you can actually see here, you just hit here, and then you're just going to create a pair. So we have ETH here, and then so we can actually see, you can actually set whatever you want to pay it with. And as you can actually see there, there's a lot of choices you can choose from. So you can just put whatever you want, and then you can actually match it with, as you can actually see there, you can just put some ETH right there, and then you can actually choose another one which you want to do, maybe some SHIB, and then you can put how much you want to put in, then how much you want to put onto SHIB, and then you're just going to go down here. So let's make an example here. So I don't have that much of ETH. And then you have there, as you can actually see there, I have some ETH in there, and then I have some SHIB into here. So what you're going to do now, you're just going to come and actually see how much you're going to pay onto the fees, your pool share, your SHIB, your ETH. This is what I have right now, and the prices and the pool share, the rate is there. This is how much you're going to share you get. It's as you can actually see there, ETH per SHIB and SHIB per ETH, and then you're actually gonna go down here. But I don't have much of gas fees, that's why it's actually showing me here insufficient ETH balance, so that I can actually, because there's a lot of fees, guys, there's a lot of fees which you're actually going to pay, which I think it's actually nice to actually pay those fees. And actually, because you once you actually you have provided your liquidity, you're actually going to get all those people going to be trading into a Shibaswap, and all those fees, they're actually going to be distributed to all the TVLs that are locked in there, and then you're actually going to get something back each and every time everyone is trading into the Shibaswap. So those fees, guys, they are actually being distributed back into those who are actually locked their assets into Shibaswap. So it's actually cool that if you can actually think about it. So that's it, guys. That's how you actually be able to put in and actually be able to provide liquidity onto Shibaswap. So that's it for this one, guys, and make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on all these videos that are actually gonna come on to here, guys. So thanks for watching, and then I will see you on the next one. Ciao ciao.